Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Mixpanel, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin or a team member into your Mixpanel project? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin into your Mixpanel project anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, and maybe you want to add them into one of your Mixpanel projects to help manage the reports. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Mixpanel dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Mixpanel account, and this is the home screen. Now, one thing I want to let you know before we go any further is this is to add an admin or a team member into one specific project. If you need help adding an admin or a team member to your entire account, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So first, in order to add an admin to your project, you want to make sure you're working in the correct project. So if you click up here on the top left, you'll see all the projects you're working on. I just have this one, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Once you click there, you're going to see a gear icon here at the bottom left. Go ahead and click on there. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to hover over settings and then click on project setting. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see another menu here on the left, and you want to click here on project users. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the users you have in your Mixpanel project, and to add another admin or team member, click on invite users here on the top right. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and add another admin. So first, you're going to go ahead and enter in their email address right here. Okay, so once you've entered in their email address, you're going to go ahead and choose the role. So click right here and choose whichever one applies to you. For me, I'm going to go ahead and add them as an admin, and make sure you use their correct email address because they will need to accept this invitation, and you're going to click on invite. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes and you can see the invitation was sent. Now, once they check their email and they accept the invitation, they're going to be added in as an admin for one particular project inside of my Mixpanel. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or a team member into your Mixpanel project, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.